everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Raj Nandini and I create beauty, makeup and skincare related content in this particular channel. So if you are interested to know about me and my beauty tricks, then please do subscribe and hit that bell button right there. So if you have read the title of this video, which I know you have, then you know by now what today's video is about. So today's video is about how to create effortless smoky eyeshadow guide for the beginners. I know all of you have appreciated my eyeshadow techniques and the eye look that I create, and smoky eyes is one of my forte. So I wanted to share a step-by-step guide for a beginner smoky eye tutorial, which is very easy. I know all of you gets a bit weird when it comes to smoky eyes because you think that you cannot achieve that particular look, but believe me guys, smoky eyes are one of the easiest way to create any eye look. You need to play with the colors and you need to do the blending right, and you are there. So without wasting any of the time by talking and explaining you, let me quickly jump into the tutorial and show you guys how to create an effortless smoky eyeshadow. So as you can see, my base is already done, and if you want to know how I have created this particular base, then do follow me on Instagram. The tutorial for this particular base is there on my Instagram account. So my Instagram handlings are right there in the description box. You can click the link and get into my Instagram page and follow me there. I have zoomed my camera so that you can see whatever I do to my eyes today and how I'm blending, how I'm using the techniques so that it's easy for you to understand. You get a close and neat look for my eyes. For this particular eyeshadow look, I'm using this particular eyeshadow palette. This is from Makeup Revolution London. This is the Pro HD Amplified 35 eyeshadow palette. If you don't have this particular palette, you can use any palette that you have. So at first I'll be taking this particular eyeshadow from the palette, and the name of this eyeshadow is Blank Canvas. So what I'll do, I'll take a fluffy blending brush like this, and I'll dab some of the product into it like this much, and I'll dab off the excess. What I'll do, at the beginning, I'll not put it at the center or at the inner corner of my eyes. I'll place it at the outer corner of my eyes and then just blend it inside on my crease. So I'll not go too above or too down. I'll just blend it on my crease with a very light pressure. Create a back and forth motion with my brush with a very light pressure. One more thing guys, whenever you are holding your eyeshadow brush, hold it towards the end. Don't hold it over here, otherwise you will have most of the pressure and the blending will not happen properly. So always hold your brush towards the end like this, and then just use a very light pressure to blend your eyeshadow. So this Blank Canvas eyeshadow from the palette, I'm using it as my transition shade. Always use a transition shade and use a light color for that, because you know that's the shade which will actually blend the eye look and it will create a very seamless eye look. So my transition shade is done, and then I'll take this particular shade from the palette, which is a very orangey kind of shade. The shade name is Burned Up, and I'll use the same brush that I used to blend my transition shade. So I'll use the same technique. I'll just dab some of the product or eyeshadow on my brush. Then I'll dab off the excess and use the same technique that I used for my transition shade. That is, I'll place the brush directly at the outer corner of my eye and then just blend the color inside my crease. So as you can see, I'm not going above, I'm just taking the brush inside the socket of my eye and then I'm blending. Sorry for the tuck 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 sound that you are hearing at the background. It's some construction is going on and I don't know when it's going to get over. So I'm using the same technique, that is the back and forth motion with the brush and using a very light pressure. And now this time, as per your preference or how much dark or light you want, you build up the color. But whenever you are taking extra pigment, always remember, dab it and place it first at the outer corner and then take the brush inside it. And always remember guys, the key to get the best smoky eye is blending. Take your time in blending, you will get the best smoky eye. So I'm done with the light colors now. Now I'll move on to dark shadows. So now I have to be very careful because I'm going to play with dark shadows. So what I'll do, I'll take a small precision brush like this. If you are able to see, this is like a very, it is a fluffy brush, but it's not big, it's very small and it's like has a very round head. And I'm using this particular shade from the palette. The shade name is Pretentious. I'll do the same. I'll take some product into the brush and it's a much darker shade, so be careful. Dab the excess and I'll place it just near my eyeball. So as you can see, I'm not going beyond my eyeball. I'm just placing the color near my eyeball and over my eyeball rather. And slowly I'm building up the color. The intensity that I want for my eyeshadow look. And I'm using the same blending brush that I used earlier for my transition shade. And I have not taken any pigment on this particular brush. And I'll just blend this with the rest of my eye so that it looks very seamless. I'll use a back and forth technique and a circular motion technique over here so that it blends properly. So I will go with the same Pretentious shade from the palette once more to intensify the eye. So I'm taking it again with the same small precision brush, dabbing the excess and just placing the pigment. And this time I'll try that I'll be near my eyelash line, I'll not go over it. And again with the same brush that I used to blend my transition shade, I'll blend the line. So as my other eye is complete, now I'll go with this particular shade, which is the Bad Vibes from the palette. And I'll take a flat brush like this, and what I'll do, I'll just place the color like this, like this. Very carefully I'll place this color near my lash line. So how I'll place it, I'll just use a very light pressure. And now I'll go with the same precision brush that I used earlier and just blend it with the shadow. So before applying any eyeshadow on my lower lash line, I'll be first tight lining my upper and lower waterline. So always tight line your upper and lower waterline if you are using or applying smoky eyeshadow, because it just gives that drama to your eyes. So it's a very important step. Always tight line your lower and upper or waterline if you are creating a smoky eye look. So for my lower lash line, I'll use a small flat blending brush like this, and I use the dark shade from the palette, which is the Bad Vibes, and I'll use it towards the outer corner of my lower lash line. And then I'll take the shade Pretentious from the palette and blend the black with the rest of my lower lash line. So I'll now use a highlighting shade to highlight my inner corner and my brow bones, and for that I'm using this particular shade from the palette and the shade name is Smooth Introduction. Any flat brush that you have, you can use that, and what I'll do, I'll just use the tip of the brush like this and then highlight my inner corners. So I'll be using a pair of false lashes, but before that I'll be curling my lashes because I'll be using mascara. And if you are curling your lashes before applying falsies, it just holds your lashes and it looks very seamless. So I just curl my lashes with eyelash curler, and I'm using this particular mascara. This is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara, which is the ideal drugstore mascara which everyone should own. So I'll use a single coat of this because if I wouldn't have weared a false lashes, then I would have used a double coat. So all of you, if you're not wearing a false lashes, then make sure that you are applying double coat of mascara. So this is how it looks with a single coat of mascara. And I'll be using this particular false lashes. This is by Nykaa. This is their Lash Talk OTT Drama eyelashes. So I'll apply this off camera and come back for the final look. So yes guys, I've added my false lashes and this is how it looks. So false lashes is totally optional. You can skip this. This is what I have created for you guys. I hope you have learned, you have enjoyed today's tutorial of this step-by-step guide to create a smoky eye look. If you want more this kind of video which will give you a step-by-step guide to your makeup techniques, then do let me know in the comment section below. So that's it guys, this is all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have enjoyed, you have liked this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to know me personally, please follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handlings are right there in the description box. And if you are creating this particular smoky eye look, then please tag me on my Instagram handle. So see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.